the divorce discussion series. Since the home is one of the key elements that is taken into consideration when couples are divorcing, I have invited someone who I think is the best at what she does to come and have a discussion with me today. Holly Gustlin is a mortgage banker and broker that has been in business for many, many years. Holly is dedicated to her clients and is very knowledgeable about her industry. In this discussion, I asked Holly to speak to me a little bit about what a mortgage broker and banker is, as opposed to obtaining a real estate loan at your traditional bank or just walking into your bank. I also asked her to give us some little color behind her nickname, Mama Bear.
Yeah, what I love most about brokering is that my clients and I are the customers. They really want our business. And so I call my rep at various banks if there's anything that I'm not sure they're going to be able to deal with. And I pre-screen it in advance. Like, hey, here's the situation with this couple. Are you guys okay with that? And either yes or no. And then I get it in writing before I go. So I'm on the phone with my banks often.
So let's talk about, I promoted this and said they call you the Mama Bear, and I just kind of talked about it a little bit.
That's true.
Okay, tell me why. Tell us more.
Well, I have 3 children and 2 grandchildren, and I'm just so protective. I just get so aggravated if a bank tries to hurt my baby. Like you're my client, you're my baby, and if they're going over the top and not being reasonable, I fight back pretty fiercely, because I consider, like, you're my baby. I'm here to take care of you. You come to me to take care of you. You don't come to me to make your life hell. So that's why they call me Mama Bear, because I protect my cubs. Yeah.
I love that. And the other fundamental was, we were talking before, you have a fundamental rule that I briefly talked on, but you won't work with a client if they don't agree to basically say you're only going to put them in a loan that they can afford, right? I restated that incorrectly.
Straight up. In fact, I've learned with first-time home buyers, I have an Excel worksheet that calculates their payment. And it's fun when I meet in person because I can really see it. But I've noticed that if we get to a payment that maybe she likes, but he stops breathing, I know we have a problem. Like, hey, your husband's not breathing. Now, I know you want that house, but you want your husband to breathe too, right? Okay, so how about we work these numbers until your husband's breathing again. And then I have to keep them in that little zone that they're both happy, because you don't want to be tossing and turning at night worried that you can't afford your house. It's just awful. Who wants to live like that?
Right. Yeah. And you get something that's a dream, or you do, and then all of a sudden, a year later, it's almost like suffocating you. And while it may in your mind still be the dream, the suffocation and the stress that you're going through it's not life. You're not living.
No, that's it. It's not life. It's not worth it.
As you can see by our discussion, Holly Gustlin truly knows her stuff and cares deeply about her clients and the people she serves. If you are in need of a residential loan or considering refinancing your home, please reach out to me and I will get you in touch with Holly Gustlin.